Hi, welcome back to our channel Hard to Set Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to write up to 3 times faster on your iPhone 17 using Superwhisper application. If you're tired of typing long emails, notes, or summaries, then this trick is going to save you so much time. So let's go to Superwhisper application, and the first thing that I would like to dive into is to look at those 4 default modes that you have on your Superwhisper application. So the first mode is email mode, which basically formats your dictation into polished, like professional kind of email with proper greetings and structure. The second mode is message mode, which converts your speech into quick and casual text message that is basically ready to send. The third mode is note mode, which captures your ideas or thoughts in a clean and organized note format. And the last mode is voice mode, that transcribes your speech, and it keeps every single word that you say exactly as you say for maximum accuracy. So now let me switch to email mode, for example, and I'm going to show you now how this basically works. So instead of typing, you just have to speak naturally as if you would talk to your friend. To start the recording, you just have to tap this red button and it will start. So I will dictate a quick email, for example. Hello, just checking in about our project timeline. Let's aim to finish the first draft by next Wednesday so that we had some time to review before the client meeting, and let me know if that works for you. To end the recording, you just have to tap this red button again. Let's wait a little bit. And as you can see, Superwhisper instantly turns my voice into clean and readable text that is basically ready to send. You can also use custom prompts. You can customize them to format your text automatically. So let's go to settings in the top right corner of my screen and go to specific mode that you want to customize. Let's go to specifically email. And here is the prompt section. So tap here, and this is the prompt that is set by default. So it is from the very beginning like this. So you can edit it right here in this section. You can write your own prompt, or you can look to internet. You can browse internet to look for some other people how they write their prompt. And basically the best part about all the Superwhisper application is that you can work with pre-recorded audio, like a lecture or some kind of meeting or YouTube video. Basically Superwhisper can transcribe it too. You just have to play the audio near your iPhone, and Superwhisper will capture it in real time and it will turn it into editable text. So you're not only faster at writing, and you're also faster at getting notes from your recordings. But the main drawback is that you have to pay for this. You have to subscribe to Superwhisper Pro version to basically transcribe your recordings. And finally, when you're done, you can copy your text straight into some other application. You just have to tap the send button in the bottom right corner of your screen. You can directly copy your message, or you can use those suggestions. So a couple of iOS applications that are available. But you can just copy your message and go to a specific platform that you want to use to send your message to someone, and paste it, and finally send your text to someone. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can write 3 times faster without touching your keyboard. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.